Konnichiwa, Erika desu. Hi, this is Erica and we're going to be studying for the JLPT. So today we're going on to lesson number 9 and we are going to do verbs. Okay, 動詞 verbs. In this lesson today, we are going to do something called masu, masuke, and we will explain this in our lesson later. Okay. So today I am going to introduce to you a few verbs that we use often. Please look at the first page of your textbook. Okay, grammar 1-1. So let's look at sentences using verbs. First one. Okay, so please look at the picture. This person is buying a book. Okay, so when we want to say to buy a book or I buy a book, you say hon. Okay, hon is book. Hon wo kaimasu. Kaimasu. This is the verb, okay? To buy. Kaimasu. Let's look at the next verb. So this picture, this person is reading the book. So when we want to say to read a book, we say hon wo yomimasu. Yomimasu. This means to read. Okay. Yomimasu. And as you can see, these verbs have mas, okay, at the end. This is called masuke, mas form. Okay, next one. Okay, this picture, this person is opening a door. So when we want to say open a door, or to open the door, we say doa wo akemasu. Akemasu. This means to open. Okay, akemasu. Right, let's try using this in a sentence. Alright, please look at the next page, grammar 1-2. Number 1. 今日レストランに行きますか？今日レストランに行きますか？ Okay, we did this in our last lesson as well. If there's ka at the end of the sentence, this means that it's a question, right? So let's look from the top of the sentence. 今日 means today. Okay. Today. Next one, レストラン. Okay, this is restaurant. Restaurant. This is a place. Particle に行きますか? Okay, 行きます. Again, this is, okay, this means to go. Okay, 行きます. To go somewhere. In this case, they are asking if the person is going to the restaurant. So, 今日レストランに行きますか? means, are you going to the restaurant today? Okay. And the possible answers can be, first one, はい、行きます。はい、行きます。Yes, I will go. Or, no. Okay. いいえ、行きません。いいえ、行きません。No, I will not go to the restaurant. Okay. So, okay, let's use another sentence with a verb. Okay, number 2. あなたは Okay, this is a subject, so you can put it in the sentence or you don't have to. あなたは 日本語を話しますか？あなたは日本語を話しますか？ Okay, again, this is a sentence. There's ka at the end of the sentence. And, okay, so this person is asking another person, 日本語を話しますか？話します this means to speak, right? To speak. And what are you going to speak? Japanese. 日本語. Okay, 日本語 means Japanese. So, the sentence, do you speak Japanese? Okay, あなた is you. Do you speak Japanese? 日本語を話しますか? And possible answers can be はい. First one, はい。話します。Yes, I do speak Japanese. Okay, yes, I do speak. Or いいえ、話しません。いいえ、話しません。Okay, no, I do not speak Japanese. Okay. So as you can see in these two answers, ません. Okay, ません means not. Okay, so if you see 行きます in this form, 行きません means that you do not go. Okay, if you see 話します in this form, 話しません, this means that you do not speak. Okay, you do not speak. 話しません. Okay. So please remember, if you want to say no, I don't speak, then the form changes a bit to ません. Okay. So let's now look at other verbs. Okay, the vocabulary section. Vocabulary, 言葉, words 2, 1. 言葉2の1. So I am going to read a few verbs. Please check the pronunciation and the meaning. First one. 会います。会います. This means to meet. Okay, to meet someone. 会います. Next one. 行きます。行きます. This means to go. Okay, to go somewhere. 行きます. Next one. 来ます。来ます. This means to come. Okay. Next one. 帰ります。帰ります. This means to go home or return. Okay, 帰ります. Next one. 売ります。売ります. This means to sell. Okay, to sell. 売ります. Next one. 買います。買います. This means to buy. Next one. 入ります。入ります. This means to enter. Next one. 出ます。出ます. This means to go out. Okay. Next one. 飲みます。飲みます. This means to drink. Next one. 食べます。食べます. This means to eat. Next one. 書きます。書きます. This means to write. Next one. 読みます。 yomimasu. This means to read. Next one, kikimasu. Kikimasu. This means to listen or hear. Next one, hanashimasu. Hanashimasu. This means to speak or talk. Next one, owarimasu. Owarimasu. This means to finish. Next one, akemasu. Akemasu. This means to open. Next one, shimemasu. Shimemasu. This means to close. Next one, norimasu. Norimasu. This means to ride or to get on. Next one, orimasu. Orimasu. This means to get off. Next one, shimasu. Shimasu. This means to do or to play. So, alright, this is the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening. Please review your grammar. Today we did grammar of these sentences as well as verbs. Okay? So please review your grammar, check your answers for the listening and writing section, and I will see you next time. Bye.